A species found commonly on drier, open type sites is the choke cherry, so Prunus virginiana. We have another type of cherry called the pin cherry, Prunus pennsylvanica, but we can distinguish them largely from choke cherry. The flowers and then subsequently the fruits form on their own stalk or cluster. I'll just try to move this a little. So you can see all the flowers are on its own, essentially individual stalk. The pin cherry, the cherry stalks will come off the stem directly. So there will be like a few here and a few up here. So choke cherry flowers in clusters. Really key distinguishing characteristics from our pin cherry. The choke cherry leaves come to a sharp point at the end of the leaf, kind of have that broad oval shape to them. So the book describes them as elliptic to oval, and they describe that flower cluster as elongated terminal bottle brush-like cluster. So chokecherry is a shrub, generally 1 to 4 meters tall. The bark is kind of grayish. This one is kind of growing up amongst a bunch of other trees. You can see it has gotten quite tall up amongst this aspen tree here. The cherries are edible, but the book describes them with an astringent aftertaste. They're not the most tasty. And another difference, the cherries themselves will be really dark, like a deep dark purple. I'll show you in the book. So big clusters of those dark cherries compared to the pin cherry, which will be little red cherries that are kind of tart but also edible.